Welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live, and in today's short episode we are going to be looking at a 1965 Malibu SS. The first generation of the Malibu Chevelle was introduced between the years of 1964 and 1967. A high-performance car featuring a stylish design and powerful engine options, and was very popular. This generation shifted towards more comfort and luxury, with more interior space and optional engine choices, including a great sounding V8. Between 1973 and 1977, the Malibu transitioned to a smaller platform focusing on fuel efficiency, a response to the oil crisis while retaining a sporty character. This version featured a compact design and was available in a variety of trims, including a sporty SS model in 1983. Between these years, the Malibu was reintroduced as a front-wheel drive model, marking a significant shift in design and engineering. Between 1997 and 2003, the Malibu was redesigned as a more modern mid-size sedan, mostly focusing on comfort, safety, and some technology improvements. This model brought new styling, improved handling, and more refined interior, offering a balance of performance and practicality. The 8th generation saw the Malibu praised for its upscale interior and fuel efficiency, becoming a strong contender in the mid-size car market. The latest generation, launched in 2016, features a sleek design, advanced technology, and a choice of turbocharged engines, offering a blend of performance, comfort, and safety. Throughout its history, the Chevy Malibu has evolved through various design changes and shifting market demands, maintaining its status as a popular choice among mid-size car owners. Mental, mate. That sound is amazing.
I think you passed.
I think this is, whoever bought this car, that's money well spent, mate, I'm telling you, because you're not going to get bored of this in a hurry. How does it handle? Does it handle alright, yeah?
Yeah, I mean American cars.
Yeah, straight line.
Straight lines.
Yeah. So there you have it. If you ever wonder what a Malibu SS Chevrolet, so is that Chevelle?
Chevelle, yeah.
Then
It's a real muscle car.
yeah, and this one's a bit upgraded as well, so I'm sure the original ones sound great, but this one, it can't sound as good as this one though.
It wasn't far off. But these were like real muscle cars back in the 60s.
Alright. Yeah, I'm getting more and more into my muscle cars, man, I'm telling you, you know.
I mean, you can't get cars that sound anything anymore. This one sounds right.
Exactly. And this sounds amazing.